Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another Mackenzie Childs inspired project, and I love these eggs. They're so cute. I had to have them, but they were kind of pricey. So they cost like $78, but I was able to make some pretty close for $15. And I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so this is the set that I actually made. They're all pretty close. I could have done a couple of them better, but overall pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna get to it. So I used wood eggs for this project, and I am going to paint 3 of them with this pearl diamond kind of metallic acrylic paint. And for the black eggs, I'm going to use the Artist Loft Metallic Black. So soon into this project, I discovered with the black metallic paint, I didn't have to put but 1 coat on the eggs, but the white, I had to put 3 or 4. Okay, so just to let you know up front, I'm going to be switching out the eggs constantly and working on some parts and then letting the eggs dry and then working on other eggs while that one dries. So I'll be switching them in and out a lot. So keep up. This was probably the most difficult egg design out of the bunch, just because I put too many petals in the beginning and I had to fix it and then go back and forth. But in the end, it turned out okay. So if you notice in the background, the mini bracelet, those are my egg holders. I made them out of 6mm beads and elastic cord. So anywhere I did use the black paint marker, I went on top of the marker with regular paint, the metallic black paint, because the black paint marker was really shiny and I wanted it to match all of the eggs. So if I used the paint marker, I did have to go over it with the black paint. And that's it. Thanks for watching.